Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 10 or 11 PC. So basically it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need your iPhone, and here you need to download the application called Telegram. As you can see, I already downloaded this application, but if you do not have this application, you need to simply go to the App Store, and here you need to type in the search bar Telegram, and then click and download this application. Here it is. Log in or create your account, and here you are. Here basically you need to find saved messages, or basically your friend or every other free chat. So I'll go to the saved messages. If you can't find saved messages, you need to just simply type in here saved messages in the search bar. Go for it, and here basically by clicking on this little button in the left side of the screen, in the bottom left corner of the screen, you need to choose every single photo you want to transfer to your Windows PC. So for me it will be this one, and for example this, and that's all. Then you need to click on the send button in the bottom right corner and wait until it will load completely. And now we will continue on our PC. From now on, we can continue transferring our photos from iPhone to PC. To do this, we need to also open Telegram on our computer. To do this, we need to go to the Google Chrome and download or open Telegram on the browser, or just simply downloading it. You need to type in Telegram web in the Google or any other browser and click on the first link here, Telegram web. You will see this type of window right here, login Telegram by QR code. You can follow these steps, or you can just simply log in by phone number. So simply go and enter your phone number right here. So as we are logged in our Telegram, we can go and click on the saved messages, and here we will basically see every single photo that we transferred from our iPhone to this chat. And now if we click on the photo we want to download on our PC, then right click on this photo right like this, and then click on save an image as. We can download every single photo from this chat. But basically if you want to do this faster, you can just simply right click on the free field next to the message, and here you will have a button called download, and it will download all the photos to your PC at once. And basically this is it. That is how we can transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC 10 or 11. That is it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.